This video will help you to configure the Qurbani module in MFB Donate. You can start collecting donations for your Qurbani project using single and multiple donation boxes. Here are the steps to get started with MFB Donate. First, create project. Once you have logged into your MFB Donate account, you can create the project by clicking on Create or Edit from the menu. Click Project, then click Add Project. Enter your new project name. Select the responsible person. Enter the start date of the project. Click Save. You have successfully created Qurbani project. Second, create cause. You can create the cause by clicking on Create or Edit from the menu. Then click Add Cause. Enter your new cause name. Here you can select donation type to automatically select Qurbani type. This allows your donors to select their preferred Qurbani type at checkout. You have the option to delete or keep these types if you'd like. Now click Save. You have successfully created a cause in your Qurbani project. Third, create cause list. You can create the cause list by clicking in Create or Edit from the menu. Click Cause List. Then click Add New. Select your project. Add the category. Select your cause. Enter your Qurbani price. Select countries where Qurbani will be performed. Click Save. You have successfully created a cause list for your project Qurbani. This is the multiple donation box visible to the donors for making a donation. The donors can now select any Qurbani type from Hetful Atha, Sathaga Qurban, or Akika Qurban. You can check and manage your donors by clicking on Qurbani list to see their details in this list. MFB Donate allows you to add images, videos to forward updated information to your donors via their given email. Now enable the Qurbani status to send the notification via email automatically to your donors. You have successfully configured your Qurbani project in MFB Donate.